nutritional approach to diet can make a huge difference in your overall well-being. With that in mind, 7th Ave Wellness is here to help you do just that. Whether you're looking for dietary advice or just looking for tips about how to incorporate healthy choices into your everyday life, 7th Ave Wellness is here to help. We offer nutritional counseling and personalized diet plans to meet your individual needs. We'll help you find the best nutritional approach for you, no matter what stage of life you're at. At 7th Ave Wellness, we believe in the importance of proper nutrition and a balanced, healthy diet. We'll show you how setting and achieving realistic dietary goals can help improve your overall well-being. With our guidance, we'll help you balance the amount of protein, carbohydrates, fats and other essential nutrients in your diet. Our dietitians can help develop a personalized nutritional plan to meet your individual needs. We'll consider your likes, dislikes, and dietary restrictions, as well as any medical concerns you may have. From low-calorie meal planning to help you understand the importance of fiber and vitamins, our team is here to help guide you every step of the way. At 7th Ave Wellness, we provide valuable insight into the physical, mental, and emotional benefits of a healthy, balanced diet. We'll show you how diet can help improve the way you think, feel, and look. Our experts will also teach you about the long-term benefits healthy eating can have on your overall health. By taking a proper nutritional approach to diet, you'll be well on your way to achieving excellent physical and mental health. Start your journey to a healthier lifestyle today with 7th Ave Wellness.